Question number 2. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So we have to draw angle of 45 degree. Also we have to justify the construction. Now students, we know that 45 degree is what? Half of 90 degree. So what will we do? First we will construct 90 degree angle, and we have learnt it in the previous question. So first we'll make 90 degree angle, then we have to make 45. It is what? Half of 90. So what will we do? After making 90 degree angle, we will draw a bisector. So that will be 45 degree angle. Okay, let us start. Draw a ray OA of 8 centimeter. Again, we will follow all the steps which we followed to draw a 90 degree angle. So, taking O as center and with some radius. I have taken this much radius. Taking O as center, we will draw a semicircle. And that will be called as semicircle arc. Draw a semicircle arc which intersect a ray OA. So here it has intersected and we will name it as B, where it intersect. Okay. So this point is point of intersection. It is B. Now, what did we do previously? Keeping same radius, but which center will take? B as a center. We will draw an arc on the semicircle. So, with the same radius, keeping B as center, one arc on the semicircle. This is which angle? I am sure by now you all know that this is 60 degree angle. Then again what to do? We will name it and here we will write C. Then we will draw which angle now? Again 60 degree. So, by keeping C as center, and what will be the radius? Same radius. Keeping C as center, again we'll draw an arc on the semicircle. Okay, so now this is 60 plus 60, 120 degree. But between these two, how much angle is there? This point will name it as D, right? Now, between this C and D, which means angle COD, that is how much angle? 60 degree, right? So what will we do? Half of it. First of all, let us draw the lines of OC and OD. So here we have a dash line for ray OC and another dash line for ray OD. Now we have to draw bisector of angle COD, right? So how to do? More than half of the radius of CD. So I am taking this much of radius and then I will draw arc in between. So keeping C as a center, one arc in the middle. And then with the same radius, keeping D as a center, one arc. Make sure that both the arc should intersect each other, and then we'll join this arc to O. So this is our straight line, and here we will name as F. So angle AOF, that is 90 degree angle. Now we have to make half of 90 degree as we want 45 degree. So which angle is 90 degree? AOF. So this whole angle is 90 degree, right? So what will we do? This much arc will consider and will draw a bisector. So between this semicircle arc only. Remember student that will consider the arcs on the semicircle only, right? So on the semicircle we have B, C point and this point, right? So what will we do? According to this semicircle arc, we will take radius more than half. And then keeping B as a center, we'll make one arc here. keeping this point as a center. One more arc. Make sure that both arcs should intersect. These arcs are not intersecting. So what will I do? This arc I will make little bigger. So it will intersect like this. Is it clear? What did I do? This much. This arc we have to consider. So more than half of the radius will consider between angle AOF, and then we'll draw arc keeping B as center, and then keeping this point as center we'll draw an arc. Now we'll join, and this intersection point of the arc will name as G. So now angle AOG, that is of 45 degree. This angle is of 45 degree. Okay. Steps of construction. Draw a ray OA of 8 cm. Taking O as center and some radius, draw a semicircle which intersect ray OA at B. Keeping same radius and B as a center, draw an arc on the semicircle and name it as C. Keeping same radius and C as center, draw an arc on the semicircle and name it as D. Then draw ray OC and ray OD. Draw bisector of angle COD and draw ray OF such that angle AOF is 90 degree. Next point, draw the bisector of angle AOF and draw a ray OG. Thus, angle AOG is equal to 45 degree is the required angle. Now we have to justify it. As we have done justification for 90 degree angle the same way, right? This angle we have kept B as center and semicircle arc. So keeping B as center, this we have drawn arc C. So angle BOC, that is 60 degree angle. Angle COD will be 60 degree and we have drawn half of it, right? So this is 30 and 60 is equal to 90 degree. As I said you, 45 degree is equal to half of 90 degree. So 90 degree angle is which angle? AOF. So half of it, bisector. So we have made a bisector which makes two equal parts. Therefore angle AOG is equal to 45 degree because it is half of angle AOF. Okay. Justification. Angle BOC is 60 degree. Therefore, angle COD is equal to 60 degree because both the angles are made by keeping same center C and with the same radius. Angle COF is half of angle COD, that is equal to half of 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Now angle AOF is angle BOC plus angle COF, that is 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now we have OG as the bisector of angle AOF, that is AOG angle will be half of angle AOF is equal to half 90 degree. 90 degree divided by 2 is 45 degree. Therefore, angle AOG is equal to 45 degree. This is justification. So here we completed question number 2.